Hi, it's Carla. It's been a while since we had a chit chat, and I thought of updating you with what happened last November and what I'm up to this December. So, November, I celebrated my 32nd birthday with my friends and family. I took 2 days off work, which I think is the first time I've ever done that. A few weeks prior to my birthday, well, I was feeling a bit down and demotivated. Maybe it's because I feel that at my age I should be doing more. And to be honest, I let the society's pressure of what a woman in her 30s should have and must be get the best of me. It's hard to say that I shouldn't think about that when you're already at that stage in your life. I know that I should be more grateful. I am very blessed with a career, with my art, and with you guys supporting me and getting to travel once in a while. But that's the way I felt back then. I can't help it. I just worked on acknowledging it and processing it so that I can direct my thoughts to something more positive and pay more attention to the things I can control. I am a lot better now. Just want to share this with you in case someone out there is also feeling the same. Well, aside from the emotional roller coaster in the background of November, I was also busy with commissions and collaborations. I'm very grateful for them because they kept me very busy. And you can see more of um, what I did in my Instagram. So you can follow me at Carla Kochua. Um, so that's November. Well, for December, it's a Christmas season, and I'm really anticipating my vacation in a few weeks. Christmas is my fave holiday because it means people are more festive. We look forward to being with our loved ones, with our friends, with our families, just sitting around the table, eating, chatting, and the air is filled with positivity and hope. So I even like listening to Christmas music, seeing Christmas lights, and all that. So Christmas is a really very special time. I still have some plans during my upcoming vacation, um, like making my next Skillshare class, maybe filming a Christmas themed artwork. And I guess I also like to just chill and be lazy, just want to enjoy that vacation. Um, Also, want to take this chance to thank you all for the support you gave me this 2019. I'm really happy to get to talk to some of you and hopefully inspire you to continue creating art. All of your comments, your likes, your DMs, they keep me motivated to improve, to create content. I do want to also keep improving in making videos here in YouTube. I know I have a long way to go, but that's something I guess keeping me occupied, and it's a challenge. Um, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make vlogs because my life isn't that exciting. Plus, I'm shy. Again, guys, thank you for all your support. It means a lot to me. I hope I can, do a giveaway here in YouTube when the time comes. But I'll save that perhaps when I reach a milestone. If, for example, I can start to monetize or something. Um, Anyways, I guess that's it for now. If this will be my last video for the year, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and have a wonderful time with your friends and your family. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.